This is Experiments for Charity, and my name is Kyle. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button below. And guys, I just want to briefly tell you what this channel is all about. This channel is all about blowing things up and grinding things up and doing all sorts of life hacks and experiments. So if you like that sort of thing, again, hit that subscribe button and please hit the like button as well. And guys, my wife and I are pledging to give 10% of all profits made by this channel to charity. So if that's a mission you guys want to be part of, please let us know by hitting that subscribe button. And guys, if you have any really cool ideas of what to grind up and blow up, again, write stuff down in the comments and I would love to blow that idea up. All right, guys, thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.